so welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today we are looking at how to get Figma Pro totally for free. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now this update is for educators and students learning from one institution or the other on how to use Figma. So if you're not or you didn't fall under this category, this feature might not be for you or might not work for you. So all you just have to do is to visit this this URL and input figma.com.pricing or just Google search Figma pricing and you get this page here. So this is where we are coming at. You can see that all of the prices that is attached to Figma, which is we have the starter, the professional. Now this is the professional we're talking about. And if you scroll down, you're going to see Figma is free for students and educators. So which means that you are definitely opening up this particular link. So click it and then you open it up. Right. So you click on get verified, and then you log in your account, the account that you want to upgrade. So I will just click on continue with Google, and then I will select this. So it's trying to get me logged in. So it will bring out the form for you where you see all of this. Now, if you're a student or an educator or an administrator, you get to pick this. But for now, I'll just use this as an educator, right? So also, which institution do you attend or do you work for? So you just go ahead and select which kind of institution. Can select this bootcamp or online program. And why do you can just say for educational purpose, yeah. So once you're done with that, you go on to the next one. What is the name of the school? Just due to the fact that my region is in Nigeria, so I'll just select any institution within Nigeria. So we go to any name that seems applicable to your region. If you're in America, pick an institution that is in America, or if you can see it on the list in there. So what is your primary field of study? So I will go ahead and select this is my primary field of study, UI UX. If you're a graphic designer, you can also make use of this as well. So now you choose to upload your class syllabus. So you need to upload the syllabus you're using for that education or where syllabus you're using. So I'll upload mine from my file. So that's it. So mine has been uploaded now. So after that, I will go ahead to select. Definitely you need to agree to the terms and conditions for this, and then click on yes, I agree. Now please, you can submit now. Now note that if you are filling out as a student, you might still be required to input another form of a link. They will ask you for a particular link so as to show your curriculum. That you're following. So you have to upload that particular link to show any proof of payment, curriculum, just anything in PDF format. So make sure you have that document if you want to go through that or that route. So just click on submit, and then we wait for the response from Figma. So you can now see this. You are now verified with us. Figma for education. You're now verified for Figma for education. So you can just go to Figma and make sure that you need to complete what you've done. You can see now to bring out this on your you can see it will bring out there. So just click on next, and then for you to complete that. So click on agree and complete upgrade. So that's it, guys. That's how you get Figma Pro for free. So I hope you enjoyed this content. As usual, do well to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and hope to see you on the next one. Peace, guys.